previous video, you got an insight on the overview of data analytics. Now, let us get into the details, but we shall be starting with the basics. What are broadly different types of data that we need to understand? And they are variable and attribute. Variable, the data which has an ability to vary over a period of time, like continuous data or numbers. We can have an example like weight of a group of people, diameter of different samples of product. So there are similar n number of examples. Whereas attribute is like a characteristic or something which is binary in nature or which generally does not change frequently over a period of time. For example, names of group of people, result of group of students in terms of pass or fail, or taste of the food, good or bad. Now if you want to analyze any data, it totally depends on the type of data. There are different tools for variable and different for attribute types of data. For analyzing any data, it is very important to understand three important features of the data. These features are known as measure of central tendency, the first one. Second, measure of dispersion. And the third one is measure of distribution. Now, let us try to understand what are these. We'll start with the first one, which is measure of central tendency. It is a measure to know the location or aligned center of the data. It can be calculated by either mean, median, and mode. Now, quickly let us go through what are these. I'll start with the mean. Mean, it is sum of all the data elements divided by total number of the data elements. It is also called as average by many. Statistically, mean is the arithmetic center of the data. Just have a look at this example. Now this is your data set and I'll use the direct formula to calculate the mean, and which is equal to average, and select the data set, and here we are with the mean. Now median. If you arrange the data in either ascending or descending order, then the centermost value is called as the median. It divides the entire data set into two equal halves. Statistically, median is the physical center of the data. Once again, let us do it. I'll again use the direct formula is equal to median and select the data set, and here we are with the median. Let us move on to the mode. Mode is the data element appearing the most number of times in a data set, or a data element with the highest frequency. It is called as mode. Mode also helps us in identifying categories within the data set. Let us try to calculate the mode in MS Excel. I'll just enter the formula is equal to mode and select the data set, and here we are with the mode. So always remember, whenever the need or the intent of the analyst is to find arithmetic center, then go for mean. If it is to find the physical center, or you want to divide the data into two equal halves, go for median. If the intent is to find majority of the data belongs to which category, or which is that element which has repeated maximum number of times, then go for mode.